In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to back up iPhone 8 Plus to iCloud. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly back up any photos, videos, applications, and basically everything that you have on your storage to your iCloud. So to do this, you will have to go over and make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. Ensure that your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network, make sure that it is charged, and now lock your screen. So, by doing this, usually it is going to automatically back up to iCloud when it's connected to Wi-Fi and charging. So I just wanted to make that very clear. However, if you would like to initiate a backup immediately, manually, then open the Settings application, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen, and choose the iCloud category. Now, one of the options once you select iCloud is going to be iCloud Backup. So all that you have to do is choose the option to initiate an iCloud backup and then select Backup Now. Now, you just have to allow this process to finish. Make sure that you have enough iCloud storage to complete the backup. You can purchase additional storage if needed, and by regularly backing up your iPhone to iCloud, you will be able to restore your device to the previous state in case of loss, theft, or damage. You can repeat this process periodically as needed, but like I mentioned, usually this is going to be done automatically on the background, so you don't have to worry about doing this manually every single time. It's mostly for security and stability, and you should consider doing it every few times a month. So all that you have to do is go over to the settings, iCloud, choose the option to manually start an iCloud backup, and you will be good to go to manage all the storage available in your device. I hope I was able to help you on how to back up iPhone 8 Plus to iCloud. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.